Hey, my name is Kuba and I'm a performance engineer. I get a lot of questions about OpenTelemetry, how to use that, and how to monitor the cloud. So, running a YouTube channel can help me with that because I can show you exactly not only the software that you have to run, but also the hardware required for you to monitor your cloud application. And I just got one of those devices, so maybe I can just show you.
So now I just need a little bit of instrumenting. Let's do that right now. After that, we're gonna do some sampling, and after a while, you're gonna see the full picture of your observability. And this is exactly the cloud that you are running on, right? You need to make sure you're pointing to your own cloud. Otherwise, you won't see any data. They are encrypted somehow. I don't know how to do that. And from here, if you just select the right sample, you can actually go to your traces and see them in your tempo, right? So if you have some problematic call, you're gonna see them exactly here, and you can troubleshoot what exactly went wrong with particular transaction. And this is the OpenTelemetry. So let me know in the comments what you think. Maybe you need some more coverage. I have not covered any metrics here, not any logs. It's just the traces and samples. So let me know if you want to know more. I have also checked their website, but they don't mention anything about the shipment of this hardware. I couldn't find any details about it. Maybe it's still in the beta version, but I will let you know once I know more.